Hi, it's Gilly here, and today we're talking about mindset maintenance. During lockdown, there's been a big boom in homes and gardens maintenance, and there's no doubt about it, getting our living and working spaces in good order is extremely beneficial. Now, as we know, getting our headspace in good order is just as important, if not more important at this time. It is scientifically proven that the thoughts we think really do create our future. Now, with these challenging times, it is understandable to dwell on what's difficult, worrying or unsettling, but these thoughts do not serve us well. And so, some housekeeping on our recurring thought patterns is a really good thing to do. Make a conscious decision to reinforce the thoughts you want to keep and let go of the ones that get you down. And if you can tip the balance in favour of what you want to experience by cultivating some new thoughts, it really helps. At this unprecedented time, I'd love to know what's a new thought you'd like to cultivate. Let me know in the comments.